Good morning all. My name is Kishore Dusa, Guntur TSC, Andhra Pradesh. Today this is a word from my ASM Kishore sir. Today now I am going to prepare chicken curry fry with Telangana style, which is required for our recipe. The ingredients are going to here. Could you please follow me? I will tell you the which is needed. 500 grams of chicken, fresh chicken. This is skinless, and oil, sufficient oil. Next, full cover. A large size of green chilies for additional spices, and this is a large size of tomato, coriander leaf, 2 medium size of onions, which is a crispy size. This is methi for adding additional flavor. Yellow powder, it is called turmeric for I think I am expecting 1.5 tablespoon. And this is all spices mix, which is 2 tablespoons. Salt sufficient for this recipe. Red chili powder. This is I am going to taking 2 spoons of table powder. And this is garlic and garlic ginger paste, and adding curry leaves. Pass. Okay.
3.
Now I am going to bowl for cooking for this recipe. The flame is continued with low flame. We are taking all ingredients for fry item. Still wait for 3 minutes. We taking some oil. Wait for the oil heat. Okay, oil is heated. We check with one onion leaf. Okay. Yeah. Now I am going to green chilies. Still we are wait for the onions are going to light gold color. We still wait for 3 minutes. It will take more than 3 minutes, I think. Fast. Yeah, onions are still white color is there. It will take 2 more minutes. Now I am adding this curry leaves. Okay. We will wait for 2 more minutes. Now green chilies and onions are boiled, but still wait for goldish color, light goldish color. Those are seeing white color. It will take 1 minute more. Okay, the onions color has been changed. Now I am taking this tomato pieces. Put into low flame. That stove is very heated and there is no need of high flame. We can check with the chilies. Chilies are already very deep fried, so there is no chance. It is already boiled. Now I am adding garlic and ginger paste. 2 tablespoons. We'll wait for it is going to out of smell. It will giving a little bit of ginger smell and garlic smell. We wait for 1 minute. We reduce the smell of ginger and garlic paste. We are putting a low flame. We can observe after adding the ginger and garlic paste, it will observing very going to fry. Already onions and chilies are boiled, so we always rotate the ingredients, because of we will going to I'm not getting that word. Okay, the garlic paste spreading to entire this onions and green chilies. Now I am adding turmeric powder for sufficient for our chicken fry. I am taking half tablespoon. Okay, just observe, it will change into color, total going to orange. Actually, I am forgetting methi leaves for starting time. Now I am going to adding this. So let us taking our, which is we are going to that recipe item, chicken. I think the chicken going to boil, it will more than 20 minutes, because of the bowl is very small. Putting into low flame for 20 minutes. Pan close with the top of the pan. We have to check with once what was the situation, chicken situation. You can observe the started in boiling. Once we are trying to total rotate the chicken, it is giving good smell. The chicken smell started, but we are still wait for the recipe for 20 minutes. Now I am closing with the pan. Okay, 10 minutes completed. We can observe the chicken, water will come up. Next, now I am going to add some red chili powder, 2.5 tablespoons. and adding salt 1.5 tablespoon. Should we can mix it properly. Just increase maintain the proper middle flame. If it is in slow flame, the chicken piece is not boiled properly. So I'm increase the flame. It obviously continue with middle flame. You can just observe the chicken. Almost it is boiled. For we are waiting for still 10 more minutes to evaporate the total water level, and it will going to dry, that is crispy, and piece color will be also going to change, that is reddish color. Wait for 10 more minutes. And we are going to check with the status of chicken, water level are evaporated or not. You can check with the water drops. Now it will going to evaporated, and chicken piece was started with boiling. So rotate the properly. Pieces are looking very juicy. If we want a juicy or very dry, stay this is the final stage. We are always keeping rotate the chicken. You can hear the water sound and oil sound also. We are always maintaining the middle flame. Now I am going to putting a low flame. Now I am going to take garam masala powder, one and a half tablespoon, which is already prepared. Now I am adding garam masala powder. It is giving good smell. Still we are waiting for 2-3 minutes, because now we are going to eating this. It is very spicy and hot. So wait for 3-4 minutes. The garam masala will adding to all two chicken pieces. color will be changed. But I am always I like wet chicken. Always I used to eat wet chicken. But today I am preparing total dry chicken. We'll wait for the oil level and water level will go up, evaporated. We'll wait for 2-3 minutes. I think wet chicken is ready for eat, but wait for dry chicken. Let's see what was the stages of chicken. Wow, almost it is total completed. It is very dry. Dry means my view. Now I am garnishing with coriander leaves. Fresh coriander leaves. Let's rotate the chicken. I'm adding additional coriander leaves. This is the final stage. My chicken Telangana recipe chicken fry, almost it is completed. Wait for 1 minute. My dish was completed. It is ready to eat. Now I am going to put up my stove. I close with this pan. Wait for 1 more minute. Now the recipe was completed. Now I am garnishing with coriander leaf, onions and lemon. Actually, look at this recipe. Color was very beautiful. I think it is giving very good smell. I am arranging with a few onions, squeezing lemon. Now I am going to tasting this recipe. How- Good, amazing. Because of this.